So, hello there, it's me attachment Aditya, and this is a quick video about making a loading screen. Yeah, this is Windows 11. However, this video was requested by Gabriel. So, let's do it a little bit quick because why not? What we have to do is just write a variable loading, make it a global. That means there shouldn't be any local in front of this like this. So, avoid this. Actually, there's actually no problem if you write local, I guess. I don't know, but I guess I'll just do something like this. So I want that on starting it starts loading. So yeah, right there, something like that. So or wait, we will do something like false. Let's set it to be false. Spelling please. Yeah, so that's better. Um, it seems like we are only 1 minute in the video, so let's do it even quick. I guess yeah. So love.draw is actually always looping. It loops. So because I'll be keeping love.draw in last, so I will do something like last line of left.draw to be loading is equals to false. So yeah, I have started like loading is false. I mean it is started as false. So if um, loading is equals to true, then let's end first and also add a else. So right there we will just do something like left dot graphics dot print loading, and here we go, and here we can write all our main stuff, and there we go, our loading screen is ready. So yeah, that's actually just like just 2 minutes. So for a better understanding, I'll use something like love dot graphics dot print something like loaded, and here 3 dots maybe, because why not, classical. Yeah. So what I'll also do is that if love dot keep rest, okay, sorry, it's function, function. So yeah, this is Windows 11, and yeah, I'm running it. uh, so this is an insider preview. So yeah, I mean round corners and stuff and trying out many things. OBS Studio, no, this was not included totally. Yeah. So now I guess I have to type something like I want that it will stop the game for something like this amount of period. So left dot timer dot sleep or something maybe. Um, loading is equal true. So I want it to be something like now loading is true. So something like this, or it's like weight is equal to, sorry. So I'll create a variable named weight is equals to false. So function love dot update and end. Here we write something like if weight is equals to, then let's first end, and weight is equals to false, and before that love dot timer dot sleep. So it will just stop the project till then. I mean that's temporary, like yeah, we are loading stuff, we are just imagining this is loading stuff, because I guess we don't have to load stuff right now. And yeah, this is actually more reliable and applicable on Android, because Android and iOS, because they do lag and need loading screen. So yeah, so weight equals to 2, and let's also do something like loading equals to 2, something like this. And actually, let's do something like if loading is equal to true, right there, then yeah, this order really does matter, um, because iteration is like up to down, line by line, and once iterated, no, it will never again iterate unless there is a go-to line or command which doesn't exist in Lua, yeah, or Love, or in general any extensions as well. Maybe they might be, I don't know. So if loading is equals to true, then wait is equals to true. And right there now we should have a loading screen, something like that. So this was something like love space dot. And here, yes, we have loaded, but when we press any key, it converts to loading. And after 5 seconds, it's like, yeah, I've loaded. So now it has loaded. If you do again, it's something like this. You can do anything in between this because yeah, it's working. So yeah, I guess that's it. So let's explain the code a little bit. Loading. Let's actually remove the unnecessary code. Um, so something like this. We totally don't need these. Something like this. We also don't need. So this is the main code. Loading as uh, inside no function or anything. So in general, it's a global loading is equals to false. Next, loading, if loading is true, then so the do the stuff for the loading screen. You can also insert an image instead or do anything. Yeah, this will not update, note that, or if it does, then it will be slow. So yeah, then this is the main loop. So this is main, and this should be in the last of a looping function. So in love, I know that love dot update and draw are both looping functions, so they will be constantly loop, and yeah, so this will always be equal to false at last, and it will break. Just know that in case you write love dot update at last, please do something like in left loading is equals to false should be in the last line of love dot update in that case. Otherwise, if you are using love dot draw in last, then yeah, do something like this. All the main should be just indent once key wall and add these few lines, and then you're done. Yeah, this is the main loading screen. So I'll do some like dash dash loading, and yeah, now we are pretty much done. I guess that's it. Windows 11.